Habari.
Salama, paki vizuri.
Mzuri.
Gari lako vizuri. Sogeza mbele.
Where was?
Hapa gari ile. Sogeza gari mbele.
We don't understand.
There. No problem. How are you? How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
Good, good.
Good.
You are driving license?
Yes.
Yes, your offense is long overtake.
Be really?
Yes.
Sorry?
Long
Long overtake.
overtake.
What does it mean?
Huh?
What does it mean?
You don't understand?
Yes, you need to
Overtake.
please explain us.
Somewhere.
Yeah.
Huh?
Really? Really? Okay, okay. I want to know more. I switch off the car. I wait for you. Long overtake.
Jamani wazima. Jamani mniandikie fine.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes, please.
I need to write
Yeah.
2 offense, long overtake,
Okay, we
and
need
reckless
the
driving.
proof.
So where is this?
Eh, what?
We need the proof.
No problem.
Where this happen?
No
Okay, show
problem.
us a proof. Show us
No,
a proof,
wait,
a photo,
wait.
something.
Wait,
Show us a
wait,
proof.
wait.
No problem, no
Okay,
problem.
we wait.
If you need a proof,
Yes, of course, because we have a camera here, and
no
we
problem.
have a proof,
No problem.
and I have a camera here.
No problem.
No problem. I show
Yes.
you my proof.
No problem.
No problem.
I'm
Bene.
here. I see
Stai
you
facendo lo
there.
stesso errore
Okay.
dell'altro
When you
bomba.
overtake.
You
And
saw
I'm
me.
here.
Ah,
You
yes.
saw me.
There.
She saw us.
There.
She saw
there
us.
is
She
2
saw us.
lines.
Okay.
2 lanes.
Yes.
What is
two,
it?
2 lines.
Like this?
What time was the offense committed?
What time?
What time?
Now.
Now.
Show us
Yes.
the proof.
What time? What time?
Show us the proof.
What time? Before showing you how this ends, I like to tell you that the video was recorded using the latest action cam from Insta360, the GO3. No way that would be possible to record with a GoPro or a mobile phone. The officer would have noticed it. So if you're thinking to get yourself one of these, you'll find the link below in the description. Actually, I have reviewed this camera, but I did it in Italian audio. However, for your convenience, you will also find linked an unsponsored video in English audio that compares the GO3 with the GoPro 11. So check that out. Thank you so much for your time. Sorry, officer,
Your phone number, please.
what is your name?
Your phone number, please.
No, what is your name?
What is your name?
Because we
have from the
oh,
Minister of Tourism to fill up this form when a police officer wants to give us a fine. And
because
so
too many of you
Yeah.
are giving fines like
so
this
we need
without
to-
proof.
It's okay, no problem. If you have a fine and we have a proof to prove it,
And
That's
give
why
us
even me, I need to read it.
Of
yes,
course.
read, of course.
so
Read.
we understand. If you have committed an offense, I'm really sorry. So if you can prove it, and we are happy for you to issue us a fine, and we will pay it at the next police station.
What?
We can pay at the next police station.
No.
Where do we
You
pay?
can pay by using your phone.
My phone.
We don't have
M-Pesa.
We don't have M-Pesa.
We only
Why?
we
We're
have
tourists because we're tourists.
Why?
Yeah, we're
Because
tourists.
we're transiting.
we only
don't
have
live
we
here.
only have
Even if you don't live here.
we only
Because
have
I don't use it.
we only have like a credit card or
So
cash.
because you don't live here,
Yeah.
so you are doing something
We're
wrong.
No,
not doing
we're not
it. I
doing
have a proof in here. So you show me your proof, I will show you my proof. And we see how it goes.
You know, she's a public officer, so how do we pay the fine? Because I don't have M-Pesa. I really don't. We only have cash or we have credit card.
I'm a human being.
I know.
We too.
We too.
We too.
So
And we're
if you
visitors
don't
of your
have-
country.
If you don't have M-Pesa,
Yes.
no problem. The offense you do is here.
Okay.
If you are behavior to do it,
Thank
you
you.
can continue to do it. Another police can
Give me
catch
another
you.
offense.
Yes.
Okay. But I am a good driver, I
Have
think.
good journey.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Just like that.
How much was the fine?
Only 30,000.
Only 30,000.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, officer. You are very kind.
Thank you. Welcome again.
God bless you.